If you want to paraphrase using Grammarly, whether you're rewriting a full document or just cleaning up a single sentence, this video will walk you through both of the easiest methods step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's start with the best method for entire documents, which is the Paraphraser menu inside the latest 2026 version of Grammarly Editor on the web. First, open Grammarly in your browser and load the document you want to improve. Once your text is open, look at the right side panel. You should see the Paraphraser option there. This is the dedicated tool Grammarly uses to rewrite longer sections of text while keeping the meaning intact. When you click the Paraphraser menu, Grammarly will show you a list of style categories. These styles are designed for different writing goals, so choosing the right one matters. For example, if your writing sounds too stiff or robotic, you can choose Humanize. If you're working on essays, reports, or research content, Academic is a better fit. If you want your writing to be shorter and more direct, Streamlined is the option to use. And if you want your text to sound more original or expressive, Creative can help with that too. After selecting the style you want, Grammarly will analyze your text and generate alternative versions automatically. This part is great because you do not have to rewrite everything yourself. Grammarly does the heavy lifting, then gives you polished options based on the tone you selected. Take your time here and compare the suggestions carefully. You can accept a version if it fits your voice or dismiss it if it feels too different. The goal is not just to change words, but to make sure your meaning, tone, and clarity stay strong. Now let's move to the second method, which is the selection workflow. This is the faster option, and it works best when you only want to paraphrase a sentence, a short paragraph, or a small section of text. It's also the method most people use for quick rewrites and general improvements. To do this, highlight the exact text you want to paraphrase. Once you select it, Grammarly will usually display a blue bar or a pencil icon on the left side of the selection. That little menu is your shortcut to editing options. Click it and then choose Rephrase. Grammarly will then generate a few different ways to say the same thing. In most cases, you'll see 2 or 3 versions of your sentence or paragraph. This is useful because it lets you compare styles instead of settling for just one rewrite. Choose the version that sounds most natural, most professional, or most aligned with your writing goal. When you click the option you like, Grammarly replaces the original text automatically. A good tip here is to always read the rewritten version out loud in your head before accepting it. Sometimes one version sounds better grammatically, while another may sound more like your natural voice. So don't just pick the first suggestion automatically. Review the options, compare the tone, and make sure the final version still says exactly what you want. And that's really all there is to paraphrasing with Grammarly. If you're working on a full article or document, use the Paraphraser menu on the right. If you're only rewriting a small part, use the selection workflow with the blue bar and rephrase option. Both methods are quick, easy, and great for improving clarity, tone, and originality. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.